welcome back to our channel Live Review. My name is Dev and today we are here with an exclusive unboxing video. I think this is one of the first unboxing videos for the Amazfit Active 2 in India. I got this as soon as it was live, so let me show you around the box, then we'll do the actual unboxing. So there are two variants. One is a slightly expensive one which has the sapphire crystal glass with leather band. This is the one which has the Gorilla Glass steel, but I think out of the two this is a better value for your money because everything else is same, just the sapphire glass and the leather is the upgrade, apparently the upgrade, but software wise, hardware wise, the sensors, everything is identical, so I don't see any sense in paying. I think that is 2,000 rupees more than this. This one costs around 10,000, that is around 12,000 to 13,000. So let me show you in the box, then we'll do the actual unboxing. So Active 2, this is how it looks. This has a silicone band, AI powered. This is AI Zep Aura. Okay, 500 mAh battery. All of these are here, compatible with Android and iOS. Perfect. Okay, so the MRP of this is 21,009. That is 22,000. But as I said, I got this for around. I think I got this for around 9,500. Okay, round. Okay, this is made of stainless steel and black sport silicone round. All right, made in China, of course. Okay, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I think from here we have to do that. Let's do that. So it is sealed and let's bring this out. Please recycle this box, of course. All right, and yeah, the nice, this is satisfactory. It just slides down. Okay, hashtag discover amazing. All right, nice. Let me bring this out. This is so soft. My god, this is very soft. The silicone strap right out of the box, that's what I can say. Okay, let's see what else is there in the box. There should be a charger. Yes, let me check. Yeah, okay, we have, yeah, this is something new, of course not new. During the TRex, Amazfit has started doing this from the TRex 3. We have done the unboxing of that. Go check that out. I'll put the link of that. I think this is the same width of that. So Amazfit these days are going with the puck. This is nice. You don't have to carry out the wire, so you can just use this USB-C. You can just use your mobile charging wire. You can just plug this in and charge it. This is a little bit rubberized, so it does not slide around when you put this to charging. This is nice, and I like that this is they have gone with the all-round design for the TRex 3. This is not round. So yeah, you can put this on the Apple Watch charging stands and you can use that. Okay, and let me show you the manual. Okay, standard stuff. Now let's come to the actual watch itself. This is nice. I am really impressed with this. Is so soft. This will be very comfortable. This is steel class, but this is a little bit frosted, gives you a bit of titanium feel. Let's unbox this, open this. I really like this texture. So while running or doing exercise, your skin will be able to breathe. Okay, coming back, these are the sensors. This is heart rate sensor, this is temperature sensor. I think this is using the same sensors from the TRex 3, and believe me, the TRex 3 has really good and accurate sensors. I will do the full review of the TRex 3 very soon, so subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. These are the charging pins. Let's see how strong it is. The magnet test, this is very strong. As you can see, this is not falling off at all. Okay, another good thing, this is mic. So these are the mic holes, and this also is supposed to have speakers. Yeah, so you can take your calls from the watch directly itself. This is the same sensors of the TRex 3, as I was saying. Amazfit, this is this. Okay, two buttons. One is the action button, one is the back button. This is nice clicky. And this has a 1.3-inch AMOLED display. This is so nice. This is beautiful. So nice. Let's check if I can turn this on. This yeah, this is a high definition, high resolution AMOLED display. Let's check, and I have to say, this looks beautiful. There is a little bit of vibration and it's turning off. This looks beautiful. So the battery on this is around 10 days. This is very good. I don't know, it will not be 10 days with all your sensors on. Okay, nice. This is nice. This is AMOLED with the refresh rate is also nice. So you can see this is so smooth. Okay, I will do the full review of this very soon. Subscribe to the channel. And so quick release straps. I think this is 20 mm. Yeah, 20 mm bands. And this is beautiful. Okay, I will do a full comparison video between this and the TRex 3. Also, the Amazfit BIP 6 video will also be coming soon to the channel. So subscribe if you want to see all of this. So just a very quick comparison with the Amazfit TRex 3 and the Active 2. This is how it looks. So as you can see, the TRex 3 is huge. If you want to see a full comparison, I will make the video very soon. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. And as I was saying, these use the same sensor, but also the chargers are different. So these are the charging pucks. This is for the Amazfit. So as you can see, the pins are here. This is for the TRex 3 and this is for the Active 2. Just a quick info which I saw just now. So this part, the metal body is made of stainless steel, but the back of this looks like metal, but this is not. I think this is made of fiber, but it is made to look like it's made of aluminum or something, but this is not metal. And as a result, since this is plastic or something like that, the watch is very, very light. So I hope you like this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out on our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.